How to set up Google Analytics for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Analytics as a beginner and for your own website, and what are some steps to follow and how easy it is. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, I have analytics.google.com opened for me. It is a platform that is run by Google. So it is basically a platform where you can come and analyze your business in one place, so you can make it smarter decisions. You can basically see what kind of data, all the audience traffic on your website or your platform, and you can see what are some key features that you need to work on, like if you are weak in marketing, and what are the things that are driving more and more traffic to your website. So after that, you can analyze everything, the whole marketplace and the whole SEO optimization and search engine optimization as well. You will make a better decision, like in which field you need to work, like if your website needs better marketing, if your website needs better marketing in Instagram or in Facebook, or where it is weak, and why are people not some following some steps, and why are people not logging in or something, why are not people subscribing to your website. You will know everything, like what is basically going on your website analytically. So how this is done, first of all, as you know, I have just told you that it is run by Google. So when you open up analytics.google.com, you log in automatically with the email that you have provided to the Chrome. So as you can see that I was using already Google Chrome, so when I opened analytics.google.com for myself, I was already logged in as the person, like as the Google user that I am. So after that, here are some things that you need to know. So first of all, this is the homepage. Welcome to Google Analytics. Complete information, get insights only Google can give, and connect your insights to results. So what you can do is basically you can come here and attach your link your websites to Google Analytics, and everything that is going on your website will come here as a result data sheet and everything, and you can basically analyze it and see it, and you can make decisions out of it. For the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this option here which says start measuring. Okay, so then the second thing that you need to do is basically you have to provide your account name. Accounts can contain more than one tracking ID. So I'm just going to add my new account name. Let's say I'm just going to add it Amen, and then I'm going to go for account data sharing settings. So the data sharing options give you more control over sharing your Google Analytics data, Google products and services. If you have enabled Google Signals, a benchmarking, technical support, account specialist. So I'm just going to checkbox all of these, and I'm going to click on the next option. Create a Google Analytics for property to measure your web app or data. So first I'm going to basically create my Google Analytics for my own property, so that I can measure the data of my web or app data. So I'm just going to click on property right here, and I'm just going to say it Amen as well. And then a reporting time, it is not United Kingdom right here, so I'm just going to add in my own country that I am residing in right now, and the time will be my time, and then the currency will also be PKR according to the place that I am in. Okay, PKR is not recognized by that. I have to add rupee, Pakistani rupee. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the next as well. Okay, so I now I need to provide some a little bit of my business information to Google Analytics. Help us tailor your experience by answering the following industry category. Which industry category that I am in? Am I in books and literature, game and food and drink, health, hobbies, leisure and home and garden, internet, telecom? What kind of a niche that I am in? What kind of website or app I have? So I'm just going into let's say beauty and fitness, because that is the kind of website that I have. And then what is your business size? Is it small, it is medium, large, or very large? I'm just going to go with the small. It has 1 to 10 employees. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Tick all that applies. So what I need to do on Google Analytics, and what is my main goal with Google Analytics? Measure customer engagement with my site or app, yes. Optimize my site or app experience. Measure data across multiple devices or platforms. Optimize my advertising cost. Increase my conversions. Measure content monetization. Analyze my online sales. Measure app installs. Measure lead generation. So basically, I'm not even in optimizing right now. I just need to measure my data, my traffic, and everything. So I'm just going to click on these options that include analyzing and measuring. Measure content monetization, yes. Analyze my online sales, yes. Measure app installations, yes. Measure lead generation, yes. Okay, so I'm not going to check these ones because I don't want to optimize my site experience or app through Google Analytics right now. Neither I want to measure my data across multiple devices or platforms, because I have one website and it runs on it either runs on mobile or it either runs on laptop. So I'm okay with that, and I'm just going to create. Okay, so now I need to basically sign my Google Analytics terms of service agreement. So you just need to go through the whole service agreement, and then you can just check this box, and after that you can just come here and you can check this box as well. Google measurement controller data protection terms. You can just go through all of these terms as well, so that you make an informed decision about this, and then you can click on this I accept. You'll get started with your own profile on Google Analytics. Okay, so if you want to now take a tour of your Google Analytics, it will give you basically a tour. The homepage provides an at-all glance. You can just go on to next, navigate reports, and click on reports. You can go on to check reports. I'm not going to go into this detail because I'm going to show you the exact same thing, and it is in an easy manner. So the next thing that you can do is you can come here, and this is basically your account, and this is your user, this is your dashboard. And now what you can do is you can set up your assistant. You can set up your property settings and everything, but first of all you need to start collecting the data. So what are you collecting the data from? What kind of platform that you have? Any platform that you are collecting the data for, you need to add in your Google Analytics. Is it a web, it is an Android app, or iOS app? So I'm just going to click on this web here, and I'm going to add my website right here, and then I'm going to create a stream for myself so that I can get the data for that specific website. So okay, so this is my website, let's say, and I'm going to basically, this is a WordPress website. I'm just going to copy the URL, and now I'm going on to my Google Analytics, and I'm going to click on this option right here, and that's it. So okay, so the next thing is you can just remove this because it has already written right here. And stream name, I'm going to write WordPress, and then I'm just going to create my stream. So if you're using a Wix website or Squarespace or Duda or you can say WordPress, you can just get your you can install your Google tag really quickly by just clicking on these supported platforms, and it will automatically drag you to your CMS. But if you want, you can just go on install manually. If you don't see your, like I'm using a Google Sites right now, so I cannot see that in the instructions. So what I can do is I can just copy this whole code, and I can go into Google tag for this account, copy paste the code of every page of your website immediately after the head element, and don't add more than one Google tag to each page. So this is how basically you can add Google tags to your website, and you'll be good to go, and this kind of error won't be shown to you. After that, here you can see you can create another property if you want. Then you have your home, you have your reports, you have explore, you have advertising, and you have more. So what you can do is you can go on to your setup assistant, you can go on to your property settings, you can go have your Google ads right here, you have reporting, identity, attribution, and everything. So you can manage your ad manager link, you have your Google ad link, so you can add in these links and Google Play links and everything. So you can set these up as well, and then you can go on to your reports, and here where you'll find all your data about the report about what is going on your website. You will see the clicks, you will see what is basically the comments, you will see the people where they're clicking, like users in last 30 minutes, users per minute. These are the users, these are the new users, average engagement time, and total revenue, for how much time people are being engaged into your website. Like even if they go on and see your website, and are they instantly going away, or they're just they are staying there and they are basically going through your whole website or something like that. Then you have if you drag it down here, you can create your own insights. In the meantime, you can create new custom insights to monitor your most important metrics. And then here you have your new users by first user default channel group. Here you will see your acquisition, and then what are your top campaigns. Your campaigns will show up here, and users by country will show up here, like you have these many users in this country, these many users in this country, and these many users in this country. And if you go a little bit down, you have user activity over time, user activity by cohort. And as you can see, there are a lot of and lots of tables available for you, where you can just come and see all the things that are going through your website. You can just come here and edit comparisons. If you want to add a comparison to your website, like if you have two websites, if you want to create a comparison for them, you can just click on this another, and then you can add another website, and you can have a comparison between the both. Then you have your customized report if you want to, you have insights, and then you have share this report, and you also have life cycle right here in demographics and text. So this is how basically you get all the reports about your Google Analytics of your website through Google Analytics. And here you have configure, and you can just create an event for yourself, and you can modify an existing event, and you can custom definitions, audiences, and conversions. So this is basically about the events and how you can add different events to your website and everything. So this is how you can use Google Analytics in a really easy manner. I hope this video was informative for you, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Until the next video, I'll see you guys. Take care and bye bye.